G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your Mazda BT50. So you can see the little service spanner here. This is the service light on the Mazda BT50s. Now to reset this, what we need to do is turn the engine off, just turn the ignition back on. Then we need to hold down here the accelerator and brake pedal together. So we'll hold those down together. And we need to hold that for around 30 seconds. So we'll keep holding that, and we should start to see this spanner flashing. There we go. So we'll release now, and we'll do an ignition cycle. Start the car up. You'll see that the service spanner is now gone. So there you go guys, now I've reset the service light on the Mazda BT50. Now I'm going to be good for another 15,000 Ks. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.